Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the cabinet's bottom panel and turntables on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Attach the metal plate to the bottom panel using the screws provided. Flip the bottom panel over and place it on top of your first turntable so that the pre-drilled holes are aligned. Insert the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes and use your drill to fasten them into place. Locate the Lazy Susan shelf support and place it on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Attach the metal plate with the provided screws. Flip the shelf bracket over and place it on top of your second turntable so that the pre-drilled holes are aligned. Insert the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes and use your drill to fasten them into place. Locate the cabinet side panels and left and right face frames. Place a thin layer of wood glue inside the joint grooves. Attach the side panels by sliding them into place within the pre-drilled joint grooves. Combine the left and right face frame panels and slide them into place within the grooves on your left side panel. Align the right side panel of your cabinet box with the joint found on the right side of your face frame and slide it into place. Further secure the face frame by attaching the corner brackets using the screws provided. Place a thin layer of wood glue in the channels toward the bottom of your cabinet box. Align the bottom Lazy Susan shelf panel with the grooves and slide the shelf into place. Locate your remaining side panel. Place a thin layer of wood glue into the joint grooves found on the inside of your panel. Align the side panel with the panels previously installed on your cabinet box and slide it into place. Add a thin layer of wood glue to your cabinet's back panel and slide it into place. Use the provided screws to fasten it into place. Attach the toe kicks to the front of your cabinet box by using the provided brackets and screws. Lower the top Lazy Susan shelf into your cabinet box and place it on the shelf supports. Use a flathead screwdriver to secure the shelf tabs into place. Further secure your cabinet box by attaching the wood corner supports using the screws provided. Lay the cabinet door panels on your work surface. Align the hinges and connecting brackets with the pre-drilled holes on the back and sides of your cabinet box and attach them using the screws provided. Finally, attach the cabinet door by aligning the hinges with the pre-drilled holes inside your cabinet box and secure them with the provided screws. Congratulations on completing your assembly.